Hey, thanks for joining us, everyone. Uh, can you guys all hear me well?
Yeah, your audio is great.
Yep.
Yeah, thanks. Hey, Robin is here, Tony is here. Yeah. Do you guys mind if I wait for like 3 more minutes for more people to show up?
That's cool.
All right, thanks. All right, so I'm gonna start. Hello everyone, my name is Joshua Cho, and I'm the treasurer of IEEE. So for today's workshop, we will be learning about some basics of Android app development. So in this presentation, I will first go over the Android application components, and then we'll learn about how to use Android Studio and build a basic app called a Hello World. So prerequisite. So to learn Android application, it is recommended that one has taken some Java courses. In my presentation, some of my pictures might contain non-English words. However, I have used those pictures as they aren't really important. So in this presentation, we will learn about some basic Android app components such as activity, button, view, layout, toast, fragment, and intent. So, what is activity? Activity is composed of XML file and Java or Kotlin source code. XML file is the display layout, which one would be on the screen. The source code will recognize and access each component through inflation, manipulate its function. So in the picture above, for example, set content view in the picture function inflates a layout called activity main.xml file. So through this inflation, we can utilize all the components in the XML file. Can you guys all see the picture well?
Yeah, it looks great.
All right, thanks.
All good.
So what is inflation? Inflation is the process of instantiating a layout XML file into its corresponding view objects. Through inflation, XML file would be uploaded onto the memory. So up to the memory, up to the memory, and then we can use them by calling their ID to find a specific object, such as button. We should use this find view by ID function to use those objects. So the first picture shows loading all the elements. such as button, onto the memory. After it is loaded onto the memory, we can use the button defined in the XML file by accessing its ID and putting it as a parameter to find view by ID function. So this is what the XML file will look like in the Android Studio. This is a design mode. This is a design mode where you could use all the UI available to you. We actually forgot to record the meeting, so I have to record this meeting.
Josh, it says it's recording for me.
Oh, it is?
It's recording for me. Yeah, it's recording.
Yeah, it says it for me too.
Yep, same.
Thanks, guys. So next, this is what the XML file will look like in the source code mode. So this is the design mode where you can design just by clicking the UIs, like buttons and layouts. This is designing the same layout just by code alone. But this is a source code mode. So the picture indicated by number 1 is the XML file. In this file, we've created a button and we have defined onButtonClick function so that the button will take an action when it is clicked. The picture indicated by number 2 is the source code. By using the same name function, onButtonClick function, we are asking it to show the toast message when the button is pressed. So indicated by number 3, you can see when it is clicked, a toast message is popped out. There's another way to do this. By using setOnClickListener, we can also make the button to take the same action without defining in the XML file. As its name suggests, the listener receives any occurred events, and this allows any buttons or text to take an action. So intent, as its name suggests, it shows what intent to take. An intent is a message object that tells what the app components will do. It can convert one activity to another activity, transfer data, go to specific website, and make a call. So layout and lifecycle. Layout is where you will put all the elements, such as button, and there are various layouts, such as linear, relative, frame, and more, and each allows different advantages to the users. For example, to put buttons vertically, it would be easier to accomplish this task by using linear layout. Also, activity lifecycle is very important. The activity will go through onCreate, onStart, and then onResume, a function to run the activity, and onPause, onStop, and onDestroy for the activity to stop. So display orientation is also very important in Android development. When rotating your phone, different activity occurs when you're in horizontal or in a vertical direction. Therefore, the data stored in the memory would disappear. Thus, to save those data, you could either disable the display rotation or call onSaveInstantState method. To disable display rotation, you should enable portrait mode at the manifest file where it stores all the crucial information about your application, or call onSaveInstantState method. So you can also make a snack bar and Alertdialog in the Android application. To make Alertdialog, as the picture on the right shows, You should create by writing new Alertdialog.builder this. On the Alertdialog, you can create positive, neutral, and negative button to take different actions. So I have put builder.setPositive button, set neutral button, and set negative button functions, and to take different actions on different cases. Fragments. Fragment is one of the most important piece of information about the Android Studio. Fragments is used in a large tablet. It's most efficient to upload multiple activities, and fragments would allow us to better control them. By using fragments, switching to different fragments are much more efficient. And you can also create a overflow icon in the XML file. Overflow icon is the 3 dots indicated on the right side of the picture. When you create more than one menu item, overflow icon would automatically be generated. So I've created 2 menus, select all and select. Because there's more than one, overflow icon is automatically generated. And the view pager. A view pager allows us to view screen by swiping either to the right or left. So you first inflate the layout containing view pager, then find view pager ID by using find view by ID function, and then put any data to the view ID on the view pager. And the reason why I crossed it out with a red mark is because this is a source code that I made for the company during my internships. So this is why I made it hidden, because I wrote this for the company. And camera, you could also make your app to take pictures. To take pictures, you either call intent to open camera on your device and take picture where you surface view, which allows the app to upload the device's camera onto your screen. And the face detection. You can also use face detector class in Google API, which allows the phone to recognize people's faces. So on the right, I made my basic app called My Camera. However, as the picture shows, it doesn't recognize small faces, indicated by the blue arrow, but it's pretty useful. So in this app, I made it to recognize people's faces when I click the face button. Then save button will allow the image to be saved on the image file. So onto Android Studio. So could you guys all open Android Studio, please? So once you open the Android Studio, could you tell me if you did? All right, so you'll see, can you see Android Studio from my screen? All right, cool. Uh, so you should you should click Start a new Android Studio project. And then you're gonna click empty activity and then click next. And then for name, you could write IEEE. Then Java, there's Java and Kotlin. Kotlin is the new version just for the Android Studio, but we're gonna use Java. And then for the minimum SDK, we're gonna use the Jelly Bean. So once everyone is finished with this, could you type yes on the text box? So you will see this screen. It takes a little bit to load. So right now the Gradle is building, so it should take a little bit while. So mine is finished. So set content view is the inflation method. So it'll inflate activity main.xml file. So on here, does it say pixel 2 to everyone?
Josh, so
Yeah.
Matthew, you want to go back a step and show the process again?
The process again?
I'm not sure. Like Matthew, can you jump in or is it good? All good?
Sorry, I was muted. Can you just go back to the configuration again? Sorry, I missed that part real quick.
Oh, sure. I'll read you again. So I'll read you. So close project. And then, can you guys all see well?
Yeah, I can see that.
Okay, so you're gonna click start a new Android Studio project. And then empty activity. And then you're gonna put IEEE for name, language, Java, and minimum SDK, Jelly Bean. And then if you click finish, that's all. Let me know when you're done.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks. Hey Robin, what about you?
What about me?
Yeah, are you all set or do you still,
Oh yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
you're all set?
Mm-hmm.
All right, cool. All right. So when you see in the black screen where it says public class main activity, this is the source where you'll write source code. And when you go to the left, you'll see res folder. And if you click layout, this is where all the layout file will be contained. So click activity main XML file, and you'll see this. This is the design mode for the layout. And if you click code on the right, this is the code version. So this is exactly same as this. but this is just written in the source code. And also, do you guys all have Pixel 2 API on the top or no? Pixel 2 API 28.
I do not.
You don't? Um,
Yeah, I don't have it either. Mine's grayed out too.
you don't have it?
Yeah, I don't have it.
Okay, so just a moment. So what you're gonna do is click this button, AVD Manager button. Can you guys all
Okay.
see it?
Mhm.
And then click Create Virtual Device. And then Pixel 2, click Pixel 2, and then size 5, and the 420 DPI.
Yep, just did that. And what download am I supposed to do?
And then you click Next,
Hmm.
and then Pi will be automatically downloaded. If not, you have to click Download.
Yeah, it says I have to download it. That'll
Okay,
probably
so
take
you
a
have to
while.
click Download, and it takes about 5 minutes. It takes quite longer. Let me know when you're all done.
Yeah, mine's downloading too.
Oh, you're all done?
No, it's the middle of downloading.
Okay.
Yeah, same here. I'm at like 30%.
All right, thanks.
So why did you choose Pi as opposed to Oreo or one of these other ones?
So Pi is one of the most basic image, so it'll work on most devices. So this is one of the simplest. So on my source code, this will pretty much work for almost anything. That is why I chose Pi. So these are the system image.
So basically, just down is down like a virtual like Android basically, and the Pi is like the Android version, right?
Yeah, so when you're done with source code, you want to know how it'll appear on your phone. But if you don't have an Android device, it is easy to use a virtual device, how it'll look like. So the virtual device will work as same as your phone. So this is pretty good for the users.
Got you. I understand. Right now, the unzipping.
All right.
Same. And thank you for the answer to the questions.
No problem.
Mine finished downloading.
Wait, you're all done?
Mine,
Yep, I'm all
mine was
good.
downloaded.
All right,
Yep.
We're
great.
still unzipping.
Oh, still? Okay.
I guess I have shit internet, huh?
Different internet connections, eh?
What?
Everyone has different internet, eh?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
All right, I'm done.
All right, cool. All right, so I assume everyone is finished. So click next. So click next. And then you can name AVD, name anything. I named it Pixel 2 API 28. And then all you gotta do is just click finish. And once you're done, you'll see this into your screen.
Yep, got it.
All right, cool.
Same.
So once you're all done, so once you're all done, so can you all see the green arrow? When you click this, this means run the app. So when you run the app, you'll see the hello world text to pop out onto the Avd Manager. And because it is our first time to download the Avd and the studio, it'll take about 3 to 4 minutes. It takes pretty long time.
Just for Hello World.
About 3 minutes. It takes a long time if you just download Android Studio. So this is what you'll see. This is the Avd Manager. No, it's still working. This is my previous one. So the Gradle is building right now. The Gradle is this. If you go to Gradle scripts on the right, this is all the Gradle. So this shows what's the minimal SDK, application ID, compile SDK version. This is all the basic of the Android Studio. And this is what's being compiled and running. So this is what you'll see. You'll see IEEE on the top, the hello world in the center of the page. Can you all can you all see your own ABD on your computer?
Yep.
Yeah.
All right,
I don't know
cool.
if you're showing yours, but we can't see yours if you are.
Oh, you can't see mine?
Nope, we can't.
We can't see your virtual Android.
Oh, okay. So this actually I'll use.
What about sharing whole screen, not just
Okay.
Yep, we see it now.
yeah, that
It's
works.
a big phone.
Yeah,
You all see it now?
Yep.
yeah.
Yep.
So this
Yeah,
is
that's
the AVD manager. So IEEE as a what do you call it? The title of the app, the hello world. But this is a default. So the reason why you're seeing hello world is because you inflated the activity main.xml file. If you go to activity main, you'll see hello world as a text. If you go to design, you'll see hello world in the center in the constraint layout. So this is a default. You didn't do anything, but hello world message will pop out on the constraint layout. So you can add button, or you could add an image. You can add an image, and you can do a lot more, but for today, we're not gonna do those two. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna make an app that will do different functions when you press different buttons. So what you first need to do is click text view on the left and then click delete and you'll see it disappears. And you'll just see an empty constraint layout. Are you guys all done?
Yeah.
All right, cool. And then once you're done, you're gonna drag the button onto your layout. Button, button, button. And this is very useful when it is your first time in Android developing. If you have done multiple times, it is easier for you to just write on code. This is much easier once you have done multiple practices, but if it's first time, the design is much more easier. But sometimes the design wouldn't allow you to do certain tasks, then you have to use the code mode. So this is saying this button's ID is button 2, and the width and the height is wrap content, and then the text is the button, and then constraint to parent and parent, and the absolute Y is a 102 dp. And then you're gonna change the text of the button. So go to the code mode, and then you will see Android text. Delete button, and then change it to toast. For the second one, change to dial. Third one, change to browser. Let me know when you're all done. All right, so you'll see the red arrow on the left, and this is because you didn't put constraint vertically. you'll see constraint horizontally, but we didn't put constraint vertically. So click the button, and then you'll see two white circles. Click one circle and drag it to the top. Click the bottom circle and drag it to dial. So now you put constraint to the top, bottom, right, left. So now you see the red circle to disappear. And do the same process to the browser. Drag up to dial, drag up to bottom. Dial to browser, and then toast. Are you guys all done?
I'm dragging my button to the side of the page by doing that. So should I be clicking something different?
What do you mean? You mean onto the right side or left side?
Yeah.
Oh, you can also click the button and drag it to any location. This has to be the correct location. You can put it anywhere. But if you don't put constraints, when you compile and run, the buttons will be running anywhere. So that's why you have to put constraints on each
Well, maybe I
button.
missed the step where you're supposed to put the constraints, so it doesn't. How do you put the constraint on it?
All right, this might be a bit better. So click the top button called toast, and then you'll see the attributes on the left. Attributes, and you'll see this layout. Can you all see it? Layout. Click, then type 10. And this means we're putting constraints 10 dp from the toast button to the parent top. And then we're gonna put 10 on the left, 10 on the right, 10 on the bottom. So we've put constraints on all 4 directions. Same thing on the dial. Click dial, and then you'll see attributes on the right. You'll see a plus sign. Click, and then this will be automatically generated 121. Click plus. This will also be automatically generated 228. Left, put 10. Right, put 10. For the browser, same thing. Click 10, 10, 10, 10. Are you guys all finished? All right, cool. So now we're gonna go to mainactivity.java. So click, then you'll see this page, mainactivity.java. So what you're gonna do is Oh, actually, click activity.main XML again. And then click toast button on the top. And then you'll see on click on the common attributes. Click on click, then type on button clicked. Let me know when you're all done.
Sorry, can you go over that one more time?
All
The
right,
last
sure.
20 seconds.
So click toast button. If you click it, you'll see this attribute page. Go to the declared attributes, and then you'll see on click. If you don't find it, click the search, then type on click, and you'll see this, and you have to type on button clicked. So you're gonna type on button clicked. It'll be red, but you don't need to worry about it right now. Are you guys all done? All right, so click dial, and we're gonna do the same process. Click, go to common attributes. For the unclick, put on button to clicked. For the browser, same thing. For the browser, on button 3 clicked. All set? All right, so now we're gonna go to mainactivity.java, and then we're gonna put functions that we just made onto the source code. So type public void on button clicked uv post make text this hello world post length long show. So this function is the function that we just made on the XML file. So this is asking us to make a toast, and then show onto the display screen. So it'll show this text, and then for how long, for length, long duration. You can also change it to different post dot length short. There's two options, but I normally use length long. So what this will do is when you click the button, the toast message will pop out. For the second button, public void on button to click uv intent, my intent, new intent, action, view, URI, the parse, HTTP, start activity, my intent. So what this is asking is, remember me talking about the intent in the slide? So this is the intent, the thing that we want to do, intent. So what we want to do is the action view. So when we start the activity, this will lead us to this web page, this web page, when you click the button. And then third, public void on button 3 clicked. View intent, my intent, intent, dot action, view, URI, parse, tell. So what this will do is this will allow us to dial to this phone number. This is just a random phone number, but this will allow us to dial to this telephone number. Let me know when you're all done.
So for the my intent, I'm still getting an error.
You're still getting on the air?
I'm saying it's telling me I have to where is it? Create methods start activity and main activity.
So where is it showing the green line or red line on your source code?
Start activity and then in the parentheses for my intent.
It's either either parentheses error or typo somewhere. It should be a typo.
Let me see.
It's case sensitive, so it has to be lowercase s, uppercase a. It's case sensitive. So Matthew, did you fix the problem?
I was muted. I'm pretty sure I typed it correct. I put it in the Discord just in case you want to proof check. I mean, it's relatively straightforward. I don't think I typed
So
anything
no,
correct.
so no error showing?
It's still, I mean, it's still showing, but I mean, I don't think I mistyped anything.
Can you capture and then send it to me to the chat box? Cause it should be a typo. Or did you put it outside of onCreate function? It should be outside of onCreate function, inside of Mainactivity class. Maybe that's the problem.
Let me see.
So I forgot who sent me this file, but for the on button to click function, it has to be new intent and then parentheses. You missed the word intent on the third one. So new intent parentheses intent the action view. Also for the second one, it has to be an AVER and not an EVER. So an AVER. So Nicholas, you're still getting an error? Oh, oh. M- Maybe you deleted it. Did you delete import statement? Let me check. Do you have this or no? Import android.net.uri. Where's the chat box? So is everyone done? So once you're all done, you're gonna click this arrow button, and this will run the app and then show you onto the screen. So it's taking a while. The Gradle is building right now. So this is what you see. It's 3 buttons, IEEE, so Toast, Dial, and Browser. If you click Toast, you'll see Hello World Toast popping out for the duration of length long. If you click Dial, wait, wait, I switched it. So I have to switch. I'm sorry, guys. You have to switch. So, so this is what you'll see. Naver browser, you'll see naver.com. So intent allows us to go to the website. And then if you click back button, if you click browser button, I forgot to switch, but I'm gonna do it later on. So if you click browser, it'll allow us to call 010777777. Let me run again because I switched. So if you click dial, you will see this. If you click browser, this will allow us to go to naver.com. Are you guys all set? So for the first one, I typed on button clicked. Second, on button 2 clicked. Third one, on button 3 clicked. And the reason why I had these names is because I define those functions on the XML file. So button 2 has on button clicked. For this button, this function, for the browser button, this button will be this function. Did it answer your question, Tony? Just for more information, naver.com is a Korean website that I randomly used. So nothing special about it. Does anyone else has a question before we wrap up this meeting? If you're all set, you're welcome to leave the meeting if you want. I'm all set for today's meeting. Thank you all.
Have a good one.
That's pretty cool. Thank you.
All right, thanks guys. Wait, Carolyn, do you know where should I upload the recorded meeting? I did record a meeting, but I don't know where to put it. Do I put in the IEEE website or Robin?
I think
Anyone?
if you just put it in the officers chat, it's probably fine.
The officers?
Yeah, like on Discord.
All right, I'll put it. Thanks, Tony.
Yep.
So, can you show how you opened it on the? Oh, so you're gonna click this button, the green button. So it'll show run the app. You have to click it. So I'm all set for this meeting. So if you don't have any questions, you can leave the meeting if you want to. So Shania, are you facing any problems?
Yeah, I kind of installed everything really late. So,
Okay.
I didn't get to enter enter the information into the activity main.xml. So
Oh,
right
XML.
now I'm just
Oh,
um it's just basically telling me there's an error in the main activity with the view v.
with VUV.
Yeah.
Maybe you deleted import
Um,
statement.
oh, let me
Import
see.
android.view.capital view.
Yeah, I don't have that.
Did it fix your problem?
Almost done typing. Yep. It's all good now. I'm just trying to run it and see what happens.
Can you capture your screen and then send it to me? Chat box.
Sure. Um, or here. Oh, I didn't know you can upload photos or files here. Okay. This is kind of bad. Nothing popped up. Okay, I sent the picture.
All right, so all right, let me see. Wait, so there's no error on your source code? Mainactivity.java?
Yeah, everything looks fine, but
So
yeah, I completely missed this step, so I just kind of winged it.
oh, okay. So what you gotta do is go to activity main XML and then wait, do you see yellow triangle or red circle? Which one?
I don't see any.
Oh, you don't see any?
Yeah.
So click toast button and then on the attributes, go to common attributes. Can you see it?
Common. Yes, I see.
And then for the on click, do you see on button clicked? Did you type it?
Wait. Yeah, I typed it actually. Yeah, I typed it. I didn't see it.
It's case sensitive, so O has to be lowercase. and then click dial, and
Mhm.
then for the on click, it has to be on button 2 clicked.
On click 2.
Yeah, can you see it?
On button 2 clicked. Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, and then O as a lowercase. And then for the
Mhm.
browser,
Got that.
on button 3 clicked.
Okay, got it.
So,
How did you fill in the text? Because my text isn't popping up actually.
oh, your text is not toast, dial, and browser?
It shows it on like the what is this called?
Oh, so go click
Like-
code.
Click
click
where? I'm
code.
sorry.
So on the right, you'll see code, split, and design. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Click code,
Mm-hmm.
and then you'll, for the Android text for the first button, you'll see first button, second button, and third button.
Mm-hmm.
For the first one, you'll see Android text, type toast. For the second one, type dial. For the third one, click browser. I mean, I can change browser into like Joshua. And if you
Mhm.
click design, you'll see the text changed.
Okay.
Did you fix it?
Yeah, just now.
So do you see the text on the buttons now?
Um,
No?
second. Okay, I have the collagen sign now.
Wait, so you see the text or no?
Yeah, I can see the text.
All right, cool. Then can you click the green button and then run it?
Yeah, it popped up. I'm gonna see if the buttons are doing what they're supposed to do now. Okay.
Wait, so you did finish the .java file, right?
Yeah, I finished the Java file.
All right, and no error is showing, right?
Nope.
Then the emulator will be working. Is this what you see?
I see. Yeah, but for some reason, I think I mixed up my functions because I clicked on toast and it opened up the phone number.
Oh, maybe you have to switch the order then.
Okay.
What can you go back to main.xml?
Mhm.
When you click toast button
Mhm.
and then go to on click, what do you see? On button click or which one?
Yeah. Wait. Let me do this again.
There shouldn't be any number between.
Oh. I don't know what's wrong. I think I like messed up my constraints or something.
Oh, the constraints wouldn't be any
Because
problem to running.
it's just strange because the buttons just got, I guess, twisted around in a different way. So I have to like, but I basically get it. I get it. I
Okay,
just,
cool.
for some reason, I put button at the top, but I guess it switched to be at the bottom. So maybe
Mm.
at one point I like put the
The
button in the
constraints
wrong
wouldn't
spot.
matter. You can place it anywhere like this. You can put it anywhere.
Hmm.
And then you can also change
Yeah.
the layout as well. So I guess the emulator works fine on your computer, right?
Yeah, it's working fine.
All right, cool. You're all set. Ishania, nice job.
Yeah, thanks so much.
No problem. You did a nice job.
How long have you been working with like making apps?
So I studied about 1 year, and then
Hmm.
I took an internship. So I'm so do you know how if you take a picture, it takes a lot of memory. So what I did was preserve
Yeah.
the quality, but compress the image size. So it'll be same quality,
Okay.
but just um smaller size so you can have more images on your phone. So that is what, so I was in a team building it. So that's what I built.
Oh, that's cool. Were you like, was that like your first internship or you've had more?
Yeah, it's my first internship because I'm a sophomore right now.
Mm-hmm.
So a couple months ago during my summer vacation, it was my first internship.
Cool. I never had an internship before, but I'm a senior, so I don't know what I'm gonna
Uh,
but I'll figure it out.
I mean, it actually takes a lot of practices. So it
Mhm.
actually took a long time for me too. So
Yeah. I put out a lot of applications, but unfortunately didn't get into anything last summer. So
it's fine. You got plenty of time. So
yeah. I just wanted to kind of know what it was like. Were you nervous?
oh me? Um, I
Yeah.
actually took an internship during this summer. I didn't worry about anything except that I might get corona during the internship.
Yeah.
That's all. But except for that, it was a
Thank
good
God.
experience because I was able to develop my coding skill.
Hmm.
Android is written in Java, so I was able to develop my Java skill, and then I'll say
Yeah.
communication skill in the company environment. So it was about 8 a.m. in the morning till 5 to 6 p.m.
I'm sorry, what was that last part?
So my internship was about 8 a.m. to 5 to 6 p.m. around.
Oh,
There was a 2 month.
we're far.
Huh?
Did you have to travel like to the internship?
No,
Where-
it's right next to my house. I live in Korea right now.
Mhm.
So it's actually next to my house. About 10 minutes.
That's great. 'Cause
Yeah.
I would hate to have to wake up like two
I
hours early to travel.
the where I live is like a Silicon Valley in the US. Similar.
Hmm.
There's a lot of tech companies around my house. Do you know
Wow.
Samsung Electronics? Do you know Samsung?
Yes.
That is right next to my house as well.
Oh, wow.
So all tech companies around my house. It's like a Silicon Valley.
Great, lots of opportunities around you.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm trying to find a place in Manhattan to work in the future.
Oh, Manhattan? That's nice.
Yeah. Yeah, I definitely, that's the goal, the dream.
You'll make it, so don't worry about it.
Yeah. I'm a little worried, but I know I can do it.
Yeah. Just a write good resume and a
Hmm.
write a good what do you call it? The letter, the reason
Cover
why you're
letter, yeah.
applying, the cover letter, and then that should be fine.
Did you have to go through like 3 interviews basically?
Oh, pardon me.
Like, did you have to do multiple interviews?
Oh, for me, it actually was a simple process. They just saw my resume, and then they just immediately accepted me. I
Wow.
actually had a coding test, so I
Mhm.
passed the coding test. So
Nice.
but in most cases, you'll do interview.
Well, I'm really happy for you.
Thanks, guys.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Ragini, and I just wanted to know, like, when would we be uploading this recording that is happening since 8 p.m.? Since I couldn't join it around 8, I just joined it like 5-10 minutes ago, and I just wanted to know what all happened since the start.
Oh, so I'll upload this meeting into the website. Tony or Robin, where will I be uploading this video?
It will be uploaded to YouTube,
Oh,
our
YouTube?
YouTube channel. So when you are ready to upload with the videos, we can do that.
Also, Rajini, so I'll send this video, upload this video onto the YouTube within half an hour.
Okay.
Call from 089195-33662.
Actually, uploading video itself takes more than an hour.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so
Never mind, 1 hour.
yeah, just consider those times, like at least 2 hours.
Wait, why do you upload it on YouTube? Like, everyone can see it.
That's what we're doing.
I should have not done the video and cover my face or some.
That's all right. Not much people are gonna watch.
Could you guys share the details about the YouTube channel and all?
Okay, so I'll be actually uploading the channel right now in the general chat.
Okay, yeah, that's good.
Yeah, let me. I have like a lot of accounts going on, so I have to switch. Okay. Oh,
Rajini, could you give me your Albany email address? Once it is
Yeah.
uploaded on YouTube, I'll send it to your email. I'll send you the link.
Sure. It's R Vemula. It's RV. I'll just like send it in the chat.
Yeah, thanks.
yeah, I just sent your Albany IEEE channel.
So
On the
this is
chat.
my email ID. Oh, okay.
You can
Is this
send-
the YouTube channel name?
Yeah, so if it will appear.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
And I'll send it to you, Rajini.
Okay, yeah, that's great.
And because we're all done, you can leave at any time, and I'll send you the YouTube link to you.
When would you be uploading this?
Uploading this video?
Yeah.
So I'll upload it as soon as possible when we end this meeting, but uploading takes about 1 hour. So you'll probably receive my email about 1 or 2 hours later, but I'll send you immediately though.
No problem. Okay, thanks.
Right. Thank you.
Okay, everyone have a good night.
All
Bye.
right, good night.
And thank
Good night.
Guys.
All right, good night.
Cool.
All right, thank you all.
Yeah, you can close.
Is Tony sleeping again?
He might be doing work because he's pretty busy.
All right. All right, thanks, Robin.
Yeah, no problem. Oh, he's here.
Wait, so how do I stop? What do I?
So
So end?
how do you end?
Wait, does it save automatically when I end the meeting or no?
It probably is saving right now. That's how recording works.
So it automatically saves?
Yeah, kind of
All right,
mostly.
so
Or
I'll
you
end
can
the,
just stop at the top. Like I think you will have a option probably.
so I'll just end the meeting and then save.
Yeah, I don't know. Like at the bottom, like it says record, and you can probably undo record.
All right. Thanks, guys. I'll just end the meeting for now.
Yeah,
All right, thank you all.
yeah, cool. Have a good night. I mean, have a good day.
You too.